ChuChuTV surprise! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open up the purple egg. Open! 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 Surprise! Wow! French fries! Yay!
They are also called finger chips because they look like fingers. Here are some paper plates. All of you can serve yourselves. Add some pepper if you want it hot.
I want pepper. It's awesome, Mr.Harlo. Would you like to have some?
Yummy! Let's say it again, shall we?
French fries! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the green egg? Open! 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 Surprise! Art materials! Yay! But why is there okra here?
We can do art with okra.
Really? Please show us, Mr.Harlo.
This is how. Doesn't it look like a flower?
Wow! It looks nice, Mr.Harlo.
Now, all of you can make some creative designs using okra. Your time starts now! Your time is up! Please show me your artwork. Excellent, kids! Budding little artists! Congratulations!
Thank you, Mr.Harlo.
Let's say it again, shall we?
Art materials! Pick me! Thank you! Let's go for the yellow egg. Open! 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 Surprise! Wow! Emoji finger rings! Yay!
Take one each, kids. These are adjustable rings.
Hooray!
Let's say it again, shall we?
Emoji finger rings! Thank you! Shall we open the brown egg? Open! 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 Surprise! shadow puppets?
If you twist your fingers in a special way, the shadow can look like a dog, a crab, a bird, or a rabbit.
Wow! Shall we do it now, Mr. Harlo?
Sure! Let's turn on the lamp. Now, close all the windows and doors. Place your hands near the light and do make these formations with your fingers. You can see the shadow on the wall.
See my bird?
Wow, that's really nice.
Look at this doggy! Woof! Woof!
That looks like a real dog barking.
Here's my rabbit!
It's so cute, Chica.
And here's a crab!
My goodness! It looks so real, Cha-Cha. Let's say it again, shall we?
Finger shadow puppets!
Well, what did you learn today?
We learned all these things today, Mr. Harlo. French fries are also called finger chips because they look like fingers. A new art by pressing paint-dipped okras on paper with our fingers. Emoji rings were adjusted to perfectly fit on our fingers. We learned to do shadow puppets using our fingers.
Well done, kids! You've made the word finger linger on my mind. Now, let's watch the Egg Finger Family video.
Yay!
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?